Paradise. Oh, it's so humid and nice. Coconut, Florida, right? Beautiful. Eve was not impressed at all. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Jordan. We're going to the beach.
Yeah,
I don't know. I was thinking that there has to be an out. Wait, the beach right there. Beach time is best with the drink. Cheers, amigos. Look at this awesome pier. No one's out here.
Good morning, Bill.
If I were to guess, we're heading to the beach. Or a boat that leads us to the beach. We're heading on a boat to an island somewhere. Not really sure where, but
we are going on the boat.
We are going on the boat.
Don't be silly.
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
Hold on. Do you have a reservation?
No.
Don't have a reservation. I've got to do a head count, and you need to go back there until we find out if we have enough room.
All right, we might be missing the boat because we don't have a reservation. If you want to be in it, you could be a star too.
I am a star. I'm a superstar. Anyways, we got the boat ride goes out here quarter to the island.
Big Island, is it small?
It's a good sized island. We share it with these guys here at Pelican Landing. You guys got beers?
We got, whoa! That was we should have brought the bottle of rum. We screwed up. 10 minutes, we're leaving on a private island.
I looked for you.
We had to set it up this time.
Good. I'm Captain Joyce, and me today is Captain Ben. What I have these key cards.
Cool.
You want to go right that way?
We got a key card. We're going on a private island. Captain Ben.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey, we got our cards.
Beautiful. Good deal. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Welcome
High
aboard.
five, Captain Ben. 15-minute boat ride to some island, somewhere out in that ocean.
Start making way to the island. Feel free to stand up and walk around. It is a boat. It does rock and move.
You got your sea legs down?
No.
Go ahead and take a seat for me until we get going.
Captain Joyce, you are my favorite captain on the boat.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great time.
Thank you, we will. We got to make our way to the sandbar. We got to figure out where that's at. We need sandbar.
We mean bar
The bar with alcohol, exactly. That's what they mean. All right, look at all this. It's a private island. Where are we off to, Alfred?
That way.
That way? Where the people are? First time dipping my toes into the ocean on this tour. It's gotta happen. Oh, it's so warm! Alfred, it's warm! It's bath water! Best kind of touring is the one you do where the beach is involved. And a private beach. Alfred agrees. We lost Jordan, he's back at the hotel. He's missing out. Actually, everyone's missing out. If you're not on this private beach, you're missing out. This side's a lot cooler, I think, than just right over there.
All right, now you gotta do the whole...
Ah! And Florida, you got to do the stingray shuffle. Shuffle your feet around, scare the stingrays. Ah! I can't do it. It's so cold. Third time's a charm. I'm gonna do it this time. I'm gonna jump in. Woo! Oh, it's not scary. I was just worried about the cold. Oh, it does feel pretty nice though. It is good. Good water temp. We were just in the snow a lot earlier. In Indy, it was just cold and windy. And in Vegas, it was snowing. So this is, you know, you wouldn't be doing this there. Well, that's it. Our little beach excursion is done. So much fun hanging out on this private island. The water's warm, and you wouldn't know we were freezing our asses off just a few days ago. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Florida. We needed this. Captain Joyce.
Oh God, he's back.
Good to see you.
You too.